So let's check out what's in the box of a DJI Mini 3 Pro with DJI RC and Fly More kit. Let's check it out. So of course we have the aircraft itself. There is no assembly required apart from adding the battery to the rear pre-flight. Also, don't forget to remove the gimbal cover before turning on your aircraft. I purchased the DJI Mini 3 Pro with the DJI RC, which has the controller that comes with the built-in screen. I'm also sure you'll figure this out, but the thumbsticks for the controller are located on the rear of the controller. You will need to pull those out and screw them in. I thought this was a handy little feature, mainly when transporting the device. This package also comes with one intelligent flight battery, which has a listed flight time of 34 minutes, and one pair of spare propellers, just in case. Six screws are also included, which you use on the props. A precision screwdriver to replace the props if they become damaged. Type C to Type C cable. There is no wall charger included. And basically that's it, besides a few guides and manuals. Now moving on to the Fly More kit. So I purchased this in mind thinking I'm going to need a lot more airtime in the coming future, so I need more batteries. So most importantly, we have two additional intelligent flight batteries and the two-way charging hub. This power hub can charge 3 batteries in sequence, and you can also use it as a portable charging bank. Out of the box, it claims to efficiently charge 3 batteries in 3 hours. Another 2 pairs of props, and 12 more screws. You also get the USB-C charging cable. And I'm just going to give you a quick demonstration of how you can use your power hub as a charging bank. For example, you can use the charging hub to perhaps charge your phone. You will need to press the power button on the side to turn it on. So as you can see, the device powered up and is now charging. Last but not least, we have the Mini 3 Pro carrying case. I might not know any better in the world of drones and carrying cases. I've seen some pretty cool hard cases out there, but this case is great and I can fit all the above in it. So let's perk it up and see how we do. So as you can see, if packed correctly, it all fits in place, ready for you to grab and go. And that's the lot. So I do plan on doing a series of videos on the DJI Mini 3 Pro from the eyes of a novice in the world of drones. Be sure to tune in, hit that subscribe button, click on the bell notifications for updates on new videos.